Okay, so here we've got the same question. We've got equation 1 and equation 2. So last time we eliminated x, but this time, just to look at it a different way, this will be method 2. We're going to eliminate y. Okay, and to do this, we need to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5, because those are the coefficients on y. Lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. So we're going to try to get the coefficients on y both to be equal to 10. So we'll do equation 1 first. And what could we multiply equation 1 by to get 10y? Well, it's 2y, so we'll multiply by 5. Multiply equation 1 by 5. So that gives us 5 times, and then I'll copy down equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals 2. So that gives us 15x plus 10y equals 10. So that is going to be equation 1 prime, because it's basically just equation 1, but I just multiplied both sides by the same number. Okay, we got the 10y, that was what we wanted. Now we'll do the same thing for number 2. So we'll multiply number 2 by, so what would we multiply 2 by? We wanted 10y, so we'll have to double it by 2. So 2 times equation 2 is 2 times 4x plus 5y equals 12. So that's 8x plus 10y equals 24. Okay, and that one will be called 2 prime. So now we've got the 10y here. We've got 10y here. So now we can subtract the equations to get 0y. Subtract. So we're trying to eliminate y, we're trying to get 0y. So if I look ahead, if I do 1 minus 2, I'll have a positive number of x's and the constant term will be negative. If I do it the other way, I'd have a negative number of x's and the constant term will be positive. So neither one is better or worse than the other. So I guess I'll just do 1 prime minus 2 prime. And you get the same answer, whichever you do. So 1 prime was 15x plus 10y equals 10. And then we're subtracting 2 prime, which was 8x plus 10y equals 24. And remember, as you do this, you show that you're subtracting, and you put the whole thing in brackets. So you have to subtract every term. So here we've got 15x minus 8x. This is equal to 7x. 10y minus 10y is 0y. And then 10 minus 24 is negative 14. So I'll divide both sides by 7, because we've got 7x. The 0y we can get rid of. Divide by 7, so we have x equals negative 2. There we go. So this is equation 3. So we've got one of the values for the variables here. So that's the hard work done. Now we just have to substitute this back into one of the equations, find y, and then we'll check. I won't check on this video, but I would expect you to check. Okay, so substitute equation 3 into, and I don't think either one is easier or harder than the other, so maybe I'll substitute it into 1. So equation 1 was 3x plus 2y equals 2. And I'm going to replace my x with negative 2. And I still have plus 2y equals 2. So that gives me negative negative 6 plus 2y equals 2. And I'll add 6 to both sides. So I have 2y equals 8. And I divide by 2. And I get y equals 4. There we go. So we've solved it. So the solution is xy is equal to, the x was negative 2 and y is 4. Alright, I hope you did okay on it. Good luck with the rest of them.